Christmas time.
Mom, can you help me? Yeah, just a second.
Whoa, what the sick?
Oh, a card from Joe Olson. Cool. Morgan, have you seen my Stampin' Up! holiday catalog? What did I do with it? Gee, what happened? I can't find my Stampin' Up! Christmas catalog. You know, the holiday one. Seems to just disappear. Mason, have you seen my Stampin' Up! holiday catalog? No? Honey, have you seen my magazine? You know, my Stampin' Up! holiday catalog?
No! Haven't seen it, dear.
Oh, what are we gonna have for supper tonight? What? Hey, my magazine! Oh, finally! Honey, I'm ordering pizza tonight! Googlies are here! Yeah!
Well, it's Christmas